The following data shows the age profiles of all people in our age between 15 and 65. Why did they do this? So if you're 25 years old, which group are you in? Oh, good, it says it here. 25 to 35 means 25 years and over, but less than 35. So you don't include the value on the right. Okay, good. It's a bit small print. Draw the histogram. Fine. 15 to 25 is 24%, and then 27%, and then 25%, and then 16%, and then 8%. In a survey of 1,000 subscribers aged between 16 and how many people would you expect it to be between 25 and 55? But are we including 25 and 55? You're not being clear. So 25 and 55. But that percentage is going to be a little bit bigger because of the issue with 25-year-olds. Are they in this group or not? 27 plus 25 plus 16%. That's 68%. So 68% of the 1,000, of course, is 680. But I kind of think if age between means does not include 25 and 55, then this would be a little bit too big. Really, it's kind of a bit less than this, but anyways, who cares? Use the table of histogram to write down the age group which contains the median age. So that's the 50th percentile. So these two added together make 51. So the 50th was kind of somewhere like here. There's 50% captured in the first two. In fact, it's 51%. So it'd be the 25 to 35 group just towards the end of it. Use mid values to estimate. Okay, so the mid value is 15 plus 25 divided by 2. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we can multiply each of these by their percentages and then divide by 100%. So I got 35.7. Yeah, that seems believable. As long as I didn't type anything in incorrectly. Prior to COVID-19 pandemic, Netflix had the largest share of the online streaming market, 65% of all streaming subscribers in the 15 to 65 group. Aidan thought that his percentage might have changed during the pandemic and surveyed a sample of subscribers in this age group to get data. He carried out a hypothesis to test his theory. If 550 people were surveyed, calculate the margin of error. So the margin of error is 1 over root n to 1 decimal place. 4.3%. He served 372 people said they now have a Netflix account. Create the confidence interval. So it'd be 372 over 540 plus or minus the margin of error. I'm not using 1.96 because of the empirical rule. They seem to use 2 on the ordinary level course. But normally I would use 1. Anyways, no. If it's not exactly this, it's very close to this anyways. So that's 73.2% at the upper end. Then at the lower end, it's 64.6%. Use your answer to carry out the hypothesis test. State clearly the null and the alternative. So the null hypothesis is that the proportion of people using Netflix is 65%. The alternative is that it's not. And, oh, sorry, why did I write the little hat there? And you can see that 65% is in the confidence interval. So therefore, do not, sorry, my pen here, do not reject the null hypothesis, i.e. it might be true. Okie dokie.